Let's make a Lemon Drop Rumtini number 2. The original Lemon Drop Martini was created sometime in the 1970s by Norman J. Hobday at his bar, Henry Africa's in San Francisco. Hobday's original Lemon Drop Martini was made with a citron vodka. Since then, things have diversified, and now most Lemon Drop Martini recipes I find online use a regular vodka and some simple syrup, in addition to the other ingredients. So Hobday's original Lemon Drop Martini, I call a Lemon Drop Martini number 1. The things that came afterwards, I call Lemon Drop Martini number 2. And today we're going to be making a Lemon Drop Rumtini number 2, because it's based off the second version of the Lemon Drop Martini. Who was the person who was smart enough to put in a rum instead of a vodka? I'd like to say it's me, but I'm sure other people have done it before me. If you know who did it the first time, let me know in the comments down below. A note on the rum. Because the original Lemon Drop Martini was made with a vodka, I'm going to suggest that you use a white rum for the Lemon Drop Rumtini. A better rum is going to make a better rumtini. In my case, I'm going to be using the Plantaray 3 stars. You can use the white rum of your choice, and if you find one that works great in this cocktail, let me know what it is in the comments down below. To make this drink, we are going to start by rimming the glass, and traditional for a rumtini of any sort, a Lemon Drop Rumtini as well, is going to be a cocktail glass, sometimes called a martini glass. I'm going to start by putting a little bit of lime juice on the rim. If we can do this without getting stuff on the inside. Or lemon juice. Then run that through the sugar. And I'm not brilliant at rimming glasses. I'll get better as time goes on, I'm sure. Not too bad. Okay, let's get a little bit right there. A little bit right there. That's not too bad. All right, I'm going to set this aside. And I'm going to set these forward. Get my shaker. And we're going to start with my simple syrup. 3/4 ounces of your simple, oh, that's your lime juice. Lemon juice, I keep saying lime juice. 3/4 ounce of 1:1 simple syrup. 3/4 ounce is 22.5 milliliters. And I do make my own simple syrup. Recipes on the channel. Link will be down below if you want to check it out. Now, lemon juice, 1 ounce, which is 30 milliliters. And note that there is a lot of variation in the proportions between the lemon juice and the simple syrup. Feel free to adjust to your taste. 1/2 ounce of your triple sec or your orange liqueur. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. And finally your rum. 2 ounces of your rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Add some ice and give it a shake. Bring our glass back, and I'm going to double strain this into our glass. And the garnish is traditionally a twist of lemon. So I'm going to express. I'm not going to wipe. I may double express just because, but I'm going to twist. I'm going to try to float that on the edge, and it's going to fall off one way or the other. Yep, there it goes. And there you have it, the Lemon Drop Rumtini number 2. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, why is rum better in this drink than vodka? Let me know in the comments down below. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. While you're at that social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.